Hello. Welcome back. I'm Julie, and we're talking about visas again. So, you might be new to the game, or you might have been working remotely for years like me, but either way, you're probably here because you recognize that working from home or working from anywhere is here to stay for many people. A few countries have made a smart decision, in my opinion, by rolling out special visas for digital nomads or people who are able to live a location independent lifestyle and work from anywhere in the world. I love this for everyone involved because one, places largely dependent on revenue from tourism who have lost it, of course, in 2020, can start to entice people back into their countries in a more safe and responsible way. You know I love slow travel. Two, I say safely because unlike a vacation for a few days or even weeks, a mandatory quarantine period on arrival to a country is not such a big deal when you have 6 months or a year to now spend time in this country you've just entered. And three, if this becomes more popular and more countries start to roll this out, maybe for a change certain people can stop breaking laws and live and work somewhere legally. Yay! So, without further ado, here are 4 places that you can get a digital nomad visa to in 2021. For more information on each of these, including up-to-date information from their governments and how and where to apply, you can hit the link in the description and the pinned comment for my full blog post on this. Otherwise, sit back and enjoy.
Mauritius. If you've been here a while, you'll know how much I enjoyed spending time in Mauritius pre-pandemic. And with the country's new premium visa, you can do the same for more than 6 months and up to 1 year. Citizens of 103 countries, 27 of which are African countries, are eligible to apply for this visa, provided that you can prove you expect to earn at least $1,500 per month. Also a requirement, but also it's subject to change with progressions on the vaccine and everything. You will need to pre-book and pay for a 14-day quarantine on arrival in the country at an authorized facility. The visa itself, though, is free of charge. Next up, Dubai. The city joined in the fun early in 2021 by rolling out a remote working program that I'm sure many people will jump on. The program allows someone to take residence in Dubai for up to 1 year. This one is open to all nationalities and comes with perks like the right to open a bank account and rent an apartment or home and even send your kids to school. The $287 permit fee even includes health insurance, and all Dubai residents will have free access to the COVID vaccine when it rolls out. The thing about this one, though, is that the minimum income requirement is $5,000 per month. Yep. So, good luck to you. Georgia. The country in Europe, though, not the state in the USA. The Remotely from Georgia program allows digital nomads and remote workers to spend at least 6 months in the country doing their thing, as long as that thing is not taking a local job, of course. This one is only available to nationals of 95 countries. It seems like it's those that Georgia already does not require a visa to visit the country for up to 1 year, so I'm out. To qualify, applicants must also be making at least $2,000 per month and must purchase health insurance for at least 6 months. That will cover them in Georgia, of course. At the time of making this video, successful applicants will have to complete an 8-day quarantine on entry in the country, and then they are free to explore and live their best lives. That's, of course, subject to change as well with the availability of the vaccine and changing strains of the virus, as well as just cases rising or falling in the country, etc. The Bahamas. This archipelago of 700 islands, surrounded by some of the clearest water in the Caribbean and the world, is getting ready to open up to more people safely. The Bahamas Extended Access Travel Stay, or BEATS program, love it, is taking applications from those who are able to work and study remotely for up to 1 year to explore 16 of the nation's islands. This is open to citizens of any country across the world under the condition that you can show enough projected income or funds to support yourself while in the country. So they didn't specify a minimum income or salary or anything. The application fee is $25, and once approved, the fee for the permit itself is $1,000 per adult and $500 per dependent, and $500 as well for students. There are also other Caribbean nations offering digital nomad visas, including Barbados, Bermuda, the Cayman Islands, and Anguilla.
And there you go. I know that not everybody will meet some of the requirements for some of these, whether that's income or the passport or citizenship that you hold. But if that's the case for you, then you can always travel somewhere and do this in a country where you don't require a visa. That is, of course, under the condition that you don't enter the job market there. So, you don't apply for a job and work for a company registered in that country, and that you leave when you're supposed to leave. Most of the time, if you don't require a visa somewhere, the maximum time you can stay there is 3 months. But that, of course, varies from country to country and passport to passport. If you happen to be a Kenyan passport holder like myself, you can check out this video for a few ideas. If not, then I will link below the passport index where you can check for yourself. It's constantly updated what countries that you're able to enter with your passport without a visa. For now though, that's it for me. Let me know below if any of these appeal to you, if any of them are something that you might be going to apply for. And remember to hit the blog post linked in the description and pin comment as well for much more information and the official websites of each of these governments. Thanks again for being here, and as always, I'll talk to you in the comments. Bye.